Good morning, students. Yesterday we studied about gender. What, yes or no? What is gender? There are four types of genders. Three types of genders are in second standard. You have in second standard, and in third standard you have four types of genders. How many types of genders? Four. First one is masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. Third one is common gender, and the last one is neuter gender. Understood? So now here there is a question. I told you masculine gender means what? Masculine gender means male. Feminine gender means what? Female. Common gender means what? Common gender is used for common words. Which are those? Students, boys, not boys, students. Then more we can say people. Come on, tell common words which we are used for some examples which are given yesterday were baby. Now baby can be anyone, it can be male or female, correct? Then there is another example, doctors, teachers. Then there is another example, students. When we say students, then it can be boy or girl. मुलगा पण असू शकतो किंवा मुलगी असू शकते स्टुडंट म्हटल्यानंतर. त्याच्यानंतर टीचर जर म्हटलं तर मेल असू शकतो किंवा फिमेल असू शकते. येस ऑर नो, इट कॅन बी सर और मॅडम. सो इन कॉमन वेन वी से टीचर्स, आपण कॉमन मध्ये काय म्हणतो? टीचर्स. टीचर्स म्हटलं म्हणजे काय? ते एक तर सर पण असू शकतात आणि मॅडम पण असू शकतात. ओके. So here it is told that there are four types of gender. Third one was what? Common gender. And the last one is neuter gender. Last one is which? Neuter gender. Now neuter gender means what? Neuter gender means all non-living things. ज्या वस्तू, correct or not? Yeah, things means what? Non-living things means what? Which we cannot, the things which cannot move from one place to another. They are called all what? They are all called non-living things. ओके, ज्या एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागेवरती जाऊ शकत नाही. इन दिस वे वी हॅव स्टडीड फोर टाइप्स ऑफ जेंडर्स yesterday, and today we are going to study question. What is that question? Classify the following nouns according to their gender. Now which nouns? Here it is there in the book. Which are nouns? See now, classify the following nouns according to their genders. Ant, okay, balloon, biscuit, book, bull, courteous, cousin, dancer, dove, doll, father, flock, grass, headmistress, hero, horse, neighbor, nephew, priest, rat, sister, teacher, tigress, and wife. I have done it downside now. What I have done classification. Masculine gender कोण आहेत, feminine gender कोणते आहेत याच्यातून, common gender कोणते आहेत, आणि न्यूटर जेंडर कोणते आहेत, कोणते मेल्स आहे. मेल म्हणजे काय? सगळे पुरुष. देन या ladies, all ladies you can say, or females. Common gender, commonly it is used for some people, correct? People or then animals, correct? Places, it will come in common gender. And the last one is neuter gender. Last one is what? Neuter gender. In this way today we are going to classify nouns into four types. Which are those? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. Okay, now examples which are given here about masculine gender. Now I will write down. Should I write down all words? And balloon, biscuit, book, bull, courteous, cousin, dancer, dove, doll, father, flock, grass, headmistress, there are more. Now remaining I will not able to write, so we will start with ant. Now ant is what? Ant will come in which? Ant will come in which group? Ant is female. Ant is what in Marathi we call it mungi. So it will come in female. So I am writing A-N-T, ant. Is it correct? It is correct or what? Ant. Now normally when we say there is a black color ant or there is red color ant, what we say? We say normally ant. We don't know whether it is male or female. So it will come in which group? It will come in common gender. In which group it will come? It will come in common gender. So I will write here ant. Okay. Second one which is given here is balloon. Now balloon is what? Balloon is non-living thing. Balloon, what do you call for balloon in Marathi? You call it what? Fuga. So balloon is what? Balloon is what? Non-living thing. So it will come in neuter gender. In which gender it will come? Neuter gender. So I will write down here balloon. Understood? Next example which is given here is biscuit. Now biscuit can walk from one place to another? No. So biscuit is what? Non-living thing. Living thing म्हणजे कोण? Human beings, plants, animals, they are what? They are living things. जे those who grow, correct? जे वाढतात, जे बोलू शकतात, जे एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागेवरती जाऊ शकतात, they are all what? They are all living things. So now biscuit is what? Biscuit is non-living thing. So it will come in what? It will come in neuter gender. Biscuit will come in what? Biscuit will come in neuter gender. Next example which is given over here is book. Now book is what? Come on, tell. Book is what now again? Non-living thing. It will come in which gender? Neuter gender. So I will write down here B-O-O-K, book. Next one is bull. B-U-L-L, bull. Bull means what in Marathi? What is called bull in Marathi? Bail. Correct? Ox is also called bail. So it will come in which? It will come in masculine gender, male. Right? Bull is what? Male. So it will come in masculine gender. It will come in what? Masculine gender. B-U-L-L, bull. Next is courteous. It is a female. Courteous is what? Lady which is officer, or you can say who is worker, she is called courteous. So C-O-U-N-T-E-S, courteous. Next one is cousin. Now you say I have cousin brother, I have cousin sister, I have many cousins. In common we are using cousins, correct? Then cousins will come in common gender. Cousins will come in what? Cousins will come in common gender. Next example which is given over here is dancer. कोणता आहे दूसरा example? Dancer. Now dancer can be male or it can be female, correct? Then it will come in which column? Come on, tell me. First column or second column or third column or fourth column? Which column? You can do your fingers. You can do like this, 2, 3, 4. In which column? No. Dancer मुलगा पण असू शकतो आणि मुलगी पण असू शकते. मग ती कशामध्ये जाणार? तिसऱ्या ग्रुप मध्ये. तिसरा ग्रुप कोणता आहे? कॉमन जेंडर. सो डान्सर विल कम इन थर्ड ग्रुप. नेक्स्ट वन इज doe. Doe is a bird. Then it will come in which group? It will come in first group. It is a male. Okay. So it will come in first group. Is it clear? Next one example is doll. Come on, tell me. Doll. D-O-L-L. Doll. Doll is walking from one place to another. No. Doll is what? Non-living thing. Doll is non-living thing, so it will come in fourth group. D-O-L-L, doll. Next one is father. Father will come in which group? Father is what? Father is male. So males are in which group? Males are in masculine gender. So I am writing here father. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Flock. Flock of birds. Correct? It will come in common gender. Next one is grass. Now it can be any type of grass. It can be any type of grass, so it will come in common gender. Grass, grass. And the last example which is given here is headmistress. Headmistress means what? Headmaster and headmistress. Principal and male principal and female principal. Male principal is called what? Headmaster. Correct? And headmistress means what? Female. So it will come in which group? Second group. Very good. Headmistress. In this way, how many words we have completed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Total 14 nouns. How many nouns we have completed today? We have completed 14 nouns today, and there are more 10 to 15 nouns that we will study in tomorrow's period. Thank you for today. What you have to do? What is your homework? You have to write down this question in English grammar notebook. Okay, and make 4 columns. Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neutral gender, and write down this all. Pause video and write down these all words and continue. We are going to continue tomorrow remaining nouns which are left. Okay, it is there in blue color in your book. Okay, remaining part we will study tomorrow. Thank you.